On the banks of the tranquil Douro River, two old stone houses, once nearly lost to time and water, stand once again, as if summoned back from the silence of the past. Their sturdy granite walls bear the traces of time, while their new zinc roofs glisten softly in the sunlight, bringing a touch of the present without erasing old memories. The first steps begin at the edge of the village road, descending gently towards the Douro River. From a distance, two simple stone houses appear, standing quietly on the slope, blending into the green landscape that embraces them. The aged, moss-covered granite walls give the impression that these houses have been there for centuries. As we approach the lower house, the sound of the river's ripples becomes clearer. We pass through the cool stone walls and gaze upon the new, light zinc roof, gleaming gently in the sun. The contrast is subtle, not overpowering the stone, but rather complementing it. Entering the wooden door, the atmosphere warms. The colorful slate floor invites the gaze downward, while the birchwood paneling on the walls reflects natural light. The open-plan living room, with large windows facing the river, presents a panorama of the tranquil water, as if a living painting before us. On the other side of the room, a simple kitchen awaits, functional, clean, and integrated into the home's atmosphere. Here, one feels how the past and present support each other, rather than negate each other. The bedroom welcomes with silence. From the window, the river appears farther and wider, and morning light gently floods the room. The atmosphere is intimate, like a private space connected directly to nature. There is beauty born from the meeting of old and new. These houses tell a story of resilience, of how architecture can preserve collective memory while responding to the needs of the present. This is Castanheira's art, creating not just buildings, but spatial narratives inherent to the place. We return outside, following the small path that connects to the upper house. The house appears more open, standing on a higher elevation. The reinforced old stone walls are now combined with a new wooden structure, marking the birth of a home faithful to the past yet ready to accommodate today's life.